If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and Robinhood, you're not alone. Both platforms give you access to the financial markets, but they're built for very different types of investors and traders. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a dedicated CFD broker designed to make trading as straightforward as possible. The platform is clean, beginner-friendly, and supports CFDs on forex, commodities, indices, ETFs, shares, and even cryptocurrencies. One of its key advantages is risk management. Features like guaranteed stop-loss orders help traders limit losses in volatile conditions. If your focus is short-term speculation across multiple markets, Plus500 delivers a simple, easy-to-use experience. But there are limitations. With Plus500, you don't actually own the underlying assets. You're only trading on their price movements. That means no dividends, no voting rights, and no building long-term wealth. It also doesn't offer advanced charting, deep research tools, or social features, which can make it feel restrictive if you're looking for more than basic trading. Now let's turn to Robinhood. Robinhood is built around the idea of democratizing investing, with commission-free trading at its core. Unlike Plus500, Robinhood lets you buy and own real stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. This makes it much more appealing for long-term investors who want to actually hold assets, not just speculate on price changes. The app is also sleek, mobile-first, and designed to make investing feel approachable for newcomers. Where Robinhood shines is accessibility. Fractional shares, zero commissions, and an easy-to-navigate interface make it simple for anyone to start building an investment portfolio. But it has its drawbacks. Robinhood lacks the advanced tools, analytics, and order types that more experienced traders might need. It's also limited in terms of international markets. Most of its focus is on US assets. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking to speculate on short-term price movements across global markets with a simple and focused trading app, Plus500 is the better fit. But if your goal is to invest in real stocks, ETFs, and crypto, and you value commission-free trades and long-term ownership, Robinhood makes more sense. In short, Plus500 is for CFD traders who want simplicity, while Robinhood is for investors building real portfolios with low-cost access. Both are beginner-friendly, but your choice really depends on whether you want to trade prices or invest in assets you truly own. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.